So now next one is the preparation of the acid. So how can we able to prepare the acids? Synthetic method. So the acids can be prepared by the direct combination of the elements. So for example, so now if you want to prepare the HCl, so we have to take so there are two atoms are present in the HCl. One is the hydrogen, another one is the chlorine. So hydrogen gas we have to react with the chlorine gas together under the action of the electric spark. So it will produce as the HCl gas. So once it produces in the form of the gas, so what we have to do is once the gas is coming outside from the reaction, so immediately we have to dissolve in the water and it will produce as the hydrochloric acid. Similarly, so the sulfuric acid may also obtained from the following elements. So the sulfuric acid preparation is sulfur plus oxygen gives the sulfur dioxide. So the sulfur, so from where we are getting the sulfur is, it's from the fossil fuels. It's present as the impurities which is associated with the fossil fuels. So we can remove the sulfur content from that one and we have to burn in the presence of the oxygen. So we will get the sulfur dioxide. Then the sulfur dioxide, again we are reaction with the O2 oxygen, we'll get the sulfur trioxide. Then the sulfur trioxide have to react with the water, we will get the sulfuric acid. Then the next method is dissolving acidic oxides in the water. So acidic oxides in the sense non-metallic oxides, or generally we call it as the acidic oxides, because when the non-metallic oxides dissolves in the water, we will get the um, acid. So that's why the non-metallic oxides are acidic oxides. Say for example SO3. S is the non-metal which combines with the oxygen. So this is the non-metallic oxide. So when we are dissolving in the water, so we will get the H2SO4. This is nothing but the sulfuric acid. Then similarly the carbon dioxide, the CO2. So carbon is the non-metal which combines with the oxygen. So carbon dioxide, when dissolves in the water, it produces the carbonic acid H2CO3. Then by the action of the acid on the salt of the another acid. Say for example, so now I would like to prepare the HCl. So I am taking the one acid H2SO4. So and the salt of the which I would like to prepare. Say for example, I would like to prepare the HCl. So I have to take the Cl in common and I have to take one metal in that. So the salt we have to take it. So one of the hydrogen from the acid, because that acid is the one which is a proton donor. Proton is nothing but the H plus. So the H plus from the sulfuric acid is moved towards over here. So the Na will go and join over here. So sodium hydrogen sulfate plus HCl. So this is the another method to prepare the acid.